Why is nobody talking about this new hiccup straw? Look at this.
Did you ever have the hiccups? How do you solve the hiccups? Hiccups be gone. It's called the hiccup. It's designed by a doctor who published research about it in the whole 9 yards. Every time I've ever had the hiccups, my wife, who gets the hiccups a lot, we keep one of these in the medicine closet, and you get it, breathe through it like a straw, just like it looks, with water. It works.
So I picked one up and this is what it looks like. It has this little hole down at the bottom that generates enough pressure when you drink from it to stop the spasms in your diaphragm that cause the hiccups. I've honestly never seen anything like it, and they just launched on the TikTok shop. So I'll add it right here to the video if you guys want to go in and check it out.